I'll be showing you guys how to use a mending enchantment on a diamond sword, or any sword. You can either get experience by killing mobs, and then collecting the experience that's sitting there trying to get to you, or by using farms and that. But the way I will be doing it today is by using command blocks. Then you take your diamond sword, you take a mending book, get an anvil, put it in, well, that didn't work. Kill the mob, collect the experience, and then as you can see there, it's all mended. And then you go with your potatoes and enjoy them on a freshly baked potatoes. Now you know how to use the mending enchantment.